Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 6 says Cypress wants to make party favors for the dog rescue fundraiser. She scoops 1/6 pound of dog treats from a larger bag into each pup treat cup. How many favors can she make from the large bag if it weighs 1 1/3 pounds? And so this is a question of division. How many 1/6 pounds are there in 1 1/3 pounds? And so I want to take the 1 1/3 pound and divide that up by 1/6. And that will tell me how many party favors or pup treat cups can be made from the larger bag. So to do this, I'm going to transform 1 1/3 to an improper fraction. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, back over 3, divided by 1/6. To divide fractions, I will multiply, so 4/3 multiplied by the reciprocal of 1/6, which is 6 over 1. And now I have a multiplication of fractions problems. So I'm going to multiply across the top, 6 times 4 is 24, and multiply across the bottom, 3 times 1 is 3. 24 divided by 3 is a clean division of 8. And so, if I take the 1 1/3 pounds and divide it into 1/6 pound sections for each pup treat cup, Cypress will be able to make 8 party favors.